This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on DoorDash efficiently. Follow these simple steps to ensure you receive your earnings without any hassle. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your Dasher account to access your earnings and payout options. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Once you are in the app, locate the Earnings tab. This section displays your total earnings, including tips and bonuses, and is where you will initiate your payout request. Step 3. Select Payout Options. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method. If you choose Instant Pay, ensure that your bank account or debit card information is correctly linked to your DoorDash account for a smooth transaction. Step 5. Confirm your request. After selecting your payment method, confirm your payout request. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate, then submit your request. You should receive a notification once the payout is processed. Following these steps will help you request your payouts on DoorDash easily. Always check your earnings regularly to stay updated on your financials.